Welcome to Xiangsi Town. This is a place where natural beauty meets cultural heritage. There are 56 stone buildings in this town. As you can see, the entire area is full of decorations with ethnic elements. And here you can experience a variety of folk activities.
Hi there, I'm Kathleen and you are watching the Folk on Tours. Well, Karina, I'm glad you can join me on today's adventure.
I think it's going to be fun, so what are we going to explore today?
Well, I will take you deep into the tie-dye artistry.
Oh, I can't wait. Let's make today unforgettable.
Yes, let's go.
When we arrive in the tie-dye workshop, we are captivated by the intricate patterns of the tie-dye fabric.
Karina, look at the patterns, just so unique and beautiful.
Yeah, I've heard so much about the artistry behind it and it's fascinating. I just can't wait to dive into the tie-dye experience. Should we begin now?
Yes, let's go to explore the magic of tie-dye.
Tie-dye is one of the traditional Chinese hand-dye techniques. Artisans color the cloth by knotting it, so that when it is put into the dye, the knotted areas absorb less color and produce different patterns when unfastened. Each twist and fold creates a different shade, embodying the essence of tie-dye. What a fascinating process!
Wow, I can't believe we made this ourselves.
I feel so satisfied with my tie-dye work. I think it is amazing that every piece of fabric is so unique, so you can create your own unique patterns while you do it.
These spaces hold the beauty of tie-dye and the memories of our time exploring this charming town. So that's the end of today's Folk on Tours. Stay tuned for our new explorations.